What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. And about 2 weeks ago, I got 2 brand new tires, you know. Other ones getting kind of worn. Actually, one of them was way more worn than the other one because my back axle on my trailer is bent. So, like I told you on a video earlier this year, you know, I had to replace, you know, at least 1 tire a year. So I said, let me go ahead and replace both of them on the back axle. And that way, you know, they'll both be nice and even. And guess what? Yep, you guessed it. Flat freaking tire. Alright, so I've pretty much inspected like the area that is showing. So now I'm gonna take a look at the area that's up under. I'm hoping it's just a nail. And if it is just a nail, I'm gonna show y'all how to fix it real quick. All you're gonna need is a drill with some different size bits and a plug kit. You don't really need the drill, but the drill makes it real fast. Let's go. Alright people, I have found the culprit. And first of all, I want to thank the lawn care rookie for rubbing off on me. Thank you, lawn care rookie. He always finds the weirdest stuff stuck in his tire. I think one time he found a bolt. He was like, how can I get a bolt stuck in my tire and it's not even sharp? I don't even know what this is, bro. But it's stuck in my tire. Let me show you. Alright, so not only is it stuck in the sidewall, if I could get a shot of it. Not only is it stuck in the sidewall, focus, man. So, not only is it stuck in the sidewall, it's stuck in a weird spot. Stuck on the inside, what makes it even more hard and or difficult to fix. Normally, stuck it right in the tread, it's an easy fix. One, people say you're not supposed to repair stuff in sidewalls, but it's not really the sidewall, it's like right on the edge. Plus, I just paid freaking $60 for this tire, bro. I'm not getting a new one. I'm gonna plug it. We can go from there. Yes, sir. Alright, first step is to try to get whatever this is out. Most of the time it's like a screw. If it's like a nail, you get your needle nose and just pull it out. If it's like a screw or something, you get you some pliers like this, some grip pliers, get a nice little clamp on it and twist it. Oh my gosh, this thing is jacked up. Yikes. How is this possible? It's not coming out. This thing is like weirdly shaped. And it is deep. Jeez Louise. Wow. 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 This thing must have been touching the rim. Jeez. How is that possible, bro? How is that possible? Look at that. How does that get stuck in your tire, bro? Way to go, Nailer. I need everybody to tag Nailer in this video to make sure he sees this craziness he done rubbed off on me. Luckily, I think it's kind of crazy looking, but luckily it's mostly in the tread, so I think we'll be able to do something with it. Alright, peoples, here are the necessities you're gonna need. You don't need this. This is stupid. But you're gonna need a drill. Boom. You're going to need some plugs. Boom. You're going to need this plug inserter tool. There's another tool that comes with this when you get a plug kit. That's what I'm replacing the drill with. And then you're going to need a set of drill bits. I broke my 2 biggest ones. I have another set. But we're probably going to need this 1/4, I think. Maybe the 5/16, but 1/4 should be good. Let me show you what we're going to do. Alright, so when you plug in the hole, like I said, that tool, it's more manual. You have to use your hands to try to jab it in there to rough the hole up. With the drill, it's easier. So you can get in there at weird angles, just like this one. Just make sure you find the correct hole and you don't make a new one. That's pretty good. I think I might have to go bigger with the hole, but we'll see. Alright, so use your your plug driving tool, and you put the plug halfway through, just like this here. And now we can try to find that hole and jam it in. A little twist. Oh yeah, it's in there. Alright, so you don't want to jam it in all the way. You leave about this much. So I can zoom in. I don't know if y'all can see that. I can't see it on the camera. But you want to leave a little bit hanging out. And then you just take the tool and you pull it out. Oh gosh. Hopefully the plug stays in. Which, guess what? The plug didn't stay in. Great. Alright people, I don't know if this is going to help me or hurt me. As you can see, I put in 2 plugs. We can see if we can get this in here. I don't know if the hole's too big for 1 plug. We're going to see if we can get 2 plugs in this bag. Oh yeah, come on. Ouch. Oh yeah, come on. Get in there. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah. Get in there. Oh yeah. Get in there. Oh yeah. Get in. Okay. You find nothing? Stay in there. Stay in there. Oh yeah. Bada bing. Bada boom. Oh yeah. Nothing to it but to do it. Jeez Louise. I can't even see it. Let me get my phone. It's about to rain too. See if I can get a light on it so y'all can see it. There you go. It ain't pretty. That should do the job. Oh gosh. There you go. Alright people, so I'm gonna go show y'all the tire. It looks like it lost a little pressure. What I did was I pumped it up. I went and cut with it for 2 days. And then I left it for the weekend. Because I didn't want to show y'all the end result, because I wanted to make sure y'all see that it's actually holding air. But it actually went down a little bit. So y'all can tell from that one. See how that one's nice and thin. This one's a little chubby. but it's still holding air. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some slime in it and fill it back up. But I mean, technically I could pump it up right now. Like I said, while I was cutting, it had air in it. It didn't go down. I think it was just because it was sitting for the weekend. But I wanted to give y'all the 100% honest results. So there you go. Anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Yes, sir.